and completing a task. Viewing a task. To view the details of your task, navigate to the desired task page, either board or list. Once there, you can select the appropriate view. For more information about the tasks pages and views, refer to our other tutorial. Once you are on your desired page and have selected the right view, click on the title of the task if on the list page, or double-click on the task tablet on the board to review its details. It's worth noting that different tasks will display a variety of fields depending on the task type. For instance, a Contact New Lead task will contain contact details of the lead, while a license renewal task may include details of the concerned employee and other relevant details. This adaptability ensures efficient task management tailored to your specific needs. Some tasks may have a form attached to the same. You may click here to review the form and fill in applicable details. Completing a task. When it comes to completing a task, there are few methods at your disposal. First, if you're on the boards page, simply hold and drag the desired task in the completed column and save. Alternatively, from within the task, you can click on this Complete button. You can also select Completed option in the status field. Don't forget to save after making the changes. If a form is attached to a task, submitting the same in most cases will mark the task as completed automatically.